So when we're thinking about digital, there's obviously an enormous amount of exciting new technology. What's important about the way in which digital technology in particular is, I think, going to help us in the future is that it will completely transform the processes of care that currently exist. Our ambition in London is to ensure that patients and carers have the information they need to feel empowered and to manage their own conditions more effectively. So some of our most vulnerable patients can be supported in their own home. They're able to electronically access their own records. They're able to order prescriptions which will go directly to the pharmacist who can then deliver them to their own home. When they're referred for a hospital appointment, that can go directly to the specialist, and the specialist can often give advice to the GP, so the patient doesn't have to repeatedly go up and down for outpatient appointments. So increasingly people are working in a very different world, and we need to adapt as a health service to be able to provide services in the way that people are now increasingly used to using them. Most of this is already possible. The challenge is how we integrate this much more effectively and consistently across the capital. We do need to be able to integrate that technology into the services we deliver. That takes an enormous amount of change, both in terms of individual practices, but also in the ways our hospitals work, in the way our community teams interact with each other. And we're going to have to really work to support those teams and support those organisations across London to essentially start to adopt that new digital technology, those new ways of working that will inevitably support both clinicians and patients in the future. So I feel incredibly excited, particularly when I start to think about the digital technology that's increasingly available to people. I think there are incredible opportunities for us to support people to access the services and the care and the support they need much more easily in the future.